Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, comparing quantities. Question number 1, C part. In these questions we find amount and the compound interest. Clear? The formula of to find amount is that amount is equal to, we take A, this dot amount, and is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n, where A denote amount, P denotes represent principal, R represent rate, N represent time. Okay, so this formula we find amount, and this is a CI, compound interest. We find compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. CI means compound interest. CI represent compound interest. Okay, CI represent compound interest, and we find compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. In C part, this is given principal 62,500 rupees, and time is 1.5 years. 1.5 years we can write it 3/2 years. Okay, but here and the rate is given 8% per annum. Okay, but question ask find the amount and compound interest half yearly. Okay, find the amount and compound interest half yearly. Okay, so in the case of half yearly, we multiply time by 2. So here our time is 3/2 years. So if you change its half yearly, you know 1 year have 2 half years. Okay, so if you multiply by this time by 2, then it is convert in half yearly. Okay, half years. So 3/2 into 2, this is equal to 3 half years. Okay, here rate is given 8% per annum, but you find the amount and compound interest at half yearly. So we divide by 2, because you know in 1 years have 2 half years. So we divide this rate 8/2, we obtain 4% per half years. Okay, and this is given times, this is in years, and rate is also given in years, but we find the amount and the compound interest in half yearly. So we multiply in time by 2 and we divide in rate by 2. So here you can see this is our time 3/2 years. So you change it half yearly. So we multiply by 2, then we obtain 3 half years. Okay, and here this is given rate 8% per annum. So we divide it by 2 and we obtain 4% per half yearly. Okay, so now we going to find the amount and compound interest. Here principal is given, the value of P 62,500 time 3 half yearly, 3, and rate is 4. So we use this formula, A is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. Okay, to find amount. After this we find compound interest, amount minus principal. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So here I write amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100. Clear? This implies that we put the value of P, amount is equal to P is 62,500 into 1 plus R is 4% by 100 power 3. Clear? Here n to the power n. Okay, so n is time, n represent times, so we put the value of n is 3 years, 3 half yearly, and rate is 4% per half yearly. So we can solve it. You can write it like this: 4 1 ja 4 and 4 25 ja 100. See upon this. Okay, so you can write this like amount is equal to 62,500 into 1 plus 1 by 25 to the power 3. 1 plus 1 by 25, so you can write it 26 by 25. Okay, so amount is equal to 62,500 into, this become 21 plus 1 by 25, it's become 26 by 25 power 3. Clear? Now 26 power 3 and 25 power 3. Okay, so you can write it 26 into 26 into 26, and 20 by 25 is 25 into 25 into 25. So let's see. Amount is equal to 62,500 into 26 into 26 into 26 divided by 25 into 25 into 25. So you know 25 into 25 is equal to 625. 25 into 25 is equal to 625. So you can cancel this. This 25 is equal to 625, and here we have 100. So this 25 4 ja 100. So here we have done 4. Clear? Now, and here 4 into 26 into 26 into 26. So 26 into 26, it's become 676. Okay, 26 into 26, it's equal to 676. So 76 into 26, this is equal to 17,576. Okay, so you can write here, this implies that A is equal to 4 into 26 into 26, this is equal to 676 into 26, this is equal to 17,576. Okay, if you multiply 26 into 26, this is equal to 676, and after this 26, we obtain 17,576. Okay, now we multiply by 4, then we find amount. So amount is equal to, this is equal to 4 6 ja 24, carry 2, 4 7 ja 28, 28 plus 2 0, carry 3, and 4 5 ja 20, 20 plus 3 23, carry 2, and 4 7 ja 28, 28 plus 2 30, carry 3, and 4 1 ja 4, 4 plus 3 7. So in this way we find amount is equal to rupees 70,304. Okay, this is the amount. Amount is equal to rupees 70,304. Clear? Now you find the amount of this principal, 70,304. Now you find what you find? We find the compound interest is CI. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Clear? Now here amount is rupees 70,304 minus principal is here given 62,500. 62,500. Subtract it and you find 7,804 rupees 7,804. Okay, so here you find amount 70,304 and this is a compound interest 7,804. Student, I hope all of you understood how to find amount and compound interest if principal, time and rate are given. Here principal is given 62,500 rupees. 62,000 and 500 rupees. Time is here given 1.5 years. Okay, and rate is 8% per annum given. But we find in question this is given. We find this compound half yearly. We find it half yearly, so we change time in half years. So you know 1 year is equal to 2 half years. So we multiply by 2 in the given time. So it change half year. Okay, so it's become 3 half years. Okay, now this is the 8% per annum given. So you know in 1 year have 2 half year. So we divide it by 2. Then it becomes 4% per half yearly. Okay, and now you put this formula. Amount, A represent amount, P represent principal, R represent rate and N represent time. Okay, somewhere you can see here in place of N write T, small t. So no problem, this N is equal to time. So we put the value. Principal is equal to 62,500, time is equal to 3 and rate is equal to 4 in this formula, and we simplify it and we find the amount is equal to 70,304. After this we find compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Amount is here you find 70,304 and principal is given 62,500 and we subtract it. We find 7,804. This is a compound interest. Now we are going to discuss D part of this question 1. Here also we calculate the amount and the compound interest. And principal is 8,000, time is 1 year and rate is 9% per annum. Compound half yearly. Okay, so here 1 year's time is given 1 years. So if you change 1 years into half years, so you obtain 2 half yearly, and rate is given 9% per annum. So if you change it in half yearly, so you divide 9 by 2, then we obtain it in half years. Okay, so rate is equal to 9 by 2 half years, and time is 2 half years, and principal is given 8,000. So you find here amount and compound interest. So let's see how to find this question. So here you can see this is principal, and this is time is given 1 year, but we find compound interest and amount in half yearly. So we change it in half years. So 1 year is equal to 2 half years here, and the rate is given 9% per annum. PM is per annum, and then we change it in half yearly because the question told us that find the amount and the compound interest in half yearly. So we change it in half years, then we divide this given rate by 2, then we obtain 9 by 2 per half yearly. Okay, so now let's see. A represent amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Okay, here the value of P is given, this principal is given 8,000 into 1 plus 9, rate is given 9 by 2 by 100 power, this is 2, time is 2. Clear? So this implies that amount is equal to 8,000 into 1 plus 9 by 2 into 100, 200 power 2. Clear? Now this implies that A is equal to, this is amount is equal to 200, 1 plus 9 by 200, it's become 200 plus 9. This means that 200 plus 9 is equal to 209 by 200. You can write it 8,000 into 209 by 200 power 2. Okay, 209 by 200 whole to the power 2. So you can write it amount is equal to 8,000 into 209 into 209 by 200 into 200. So you can cancel 1020, 1020, and here 10 also cancel, 10 also cancel, 2 4 times 8, and 4 5 ja 20. Clear? So in this way we obtained here amount is equal to 209 into 209 by 5. Clear? If you multiply 209 into 209, then you obtain 43,681. This is equal to 43,681 divided by 5. Okay, 209 into 209, it's become 43,681 by 5. Okay, so when you divide it by 5, 43,681 divided by 5, so here 8 times 7 times, and this is a 3 times, 6 times, and a 0.2. Clear? So in this way we obtain 8,736.20. Clear? This is our amount. This is the required amount is equal to, we find required amount is equal to rupees 8,736.20 rupees. Okay, so this is a amount. Now we are going to find the compound interest. You know, compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, so you use here compound interest. This is equal to amount minus principal. Clear? So here amount is given. You find amount is 8,736.20, 8,736.20, and principal is here given. This is 8,000 rupees. So this is a rupees 8,000. This is equal to, we obtained the compound interest is 736.20 rupees. So this is clear. Now here in this question, this is given 8,000 is principal, time is 1 year, so we change it to half years because the question told us find the compound interest and the amount on half yearly. So in 1 year is equal to 2 half years, and here rate is given 9% per annum, but we change it in half yearly. So if you divide the given rate by 2, it's changed in half years. Okay, now here you can see this is the formula to find amount. Amount is equal to principal into 1 plus rate by 100 to the power n, where n represent is times, and put the value of p, r, and n. Then we find the amount. The amount is 8,736.20, and after this we find compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. This is equal to amount we find 8,736.20 minus this is principal given 8,000, and we subtract it and we find 7,036.20. This is our compound interest. Clear? Now we are going to solve next part of this question. This is a D part of question number 1, and now we are going to discuss E part of this question 1. E part is that the principal is given 10,000 rupees and time is 1 year given, and rate is 8% per annum given. We find the amount and the compound interest on half yearly. Okay, so here 1 year is given, so 1 year is equal to 2 half years, and rate is given 8%, so it's become 8 by 2 is equal to 4 per half yearly. So in this way you find the amount of given your principal is equal to given 10,000. Okay, and time is 1 year is given, rate is 8% is given. We find here the compound interest and amount on half yearly, so we change it in half years. Okay, so 1 year is equal to how many half years? 2 half years. Okay, half years. This is clear. 1 year is equal to 2 half years, and this is 8% per annum. This is rate given, so we change it in a half year. So it's become 8 by 2 is equal to 4 per percentage. For percentage per half yearly. Okay, so now we are going to find amount. So amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. We take A represent amount, P is here 10,000 into 1 plus rate is 4% by 100 to the power 2. Clear? Now 4 1 ja 4, 4 25 ja 100. This is given, so we can write here amount is equal to 100, 1000, 10,000 into 25 plus 1, 26, 26 by 25 whole power 2. This implies that we can write here A is equal to principal 10,000, we write as it is, into 26 into 26 by 25 into 25. Clear? So 25 into 25, you cancel it by 4 and also by 4. So 4 into 4, this is equal to 16. And 25 into 25, this is equal to 625. 625 6 in 10,000. So here after 10,000, so this is equal to 4 4 16 into 26 into 26, this is equal to 676. 676. This implies that the amount is equal to 16 6 96. Okay, and this multiplied by 16 into 676. This is equal to 10,816. Okay, this is equal to 10,816. This is the amount. So we can write here amount is equal to rupees 10,816. Now we find compound interest. Compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. Okay, so here amount is given. Amount we find here 10,000 rupees, 10,816, and principal is here given in question, and 10,000 rupees, 10,000. Okay, so compound interest is equal to 10,816 minus 10,000. This is equal to 816. This is equal to 816. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood how to find amount and compound interest if principal, time and rate is given. Thank you for watching. Jai Hind.